So guys, my Temu package is here. So on this day, 11th of March, I placed order of this package and I received it on April 2nd. That means 2 weeks and a day here in Nigeria. So guys, before I go into all the details, let me unbox the package I got from Temu, what I ordered versus what I received. So guys, the first one here that I will unbox on this Temu package here is, okay, let me look inside and check. Okay, the first one here is microphone. Yeah, so I saw this microphone on Temu app, so I decided to got it because I'll be using it to vlog. So guys, it's 2-in-1 and you can use it on your phone. So let's unbox this one. Okay, all this water we've said. So I hope you are seeing it. Okay guys, see it here. This is the mic that you can use to attach your clothes. You can use to attach on your clothes. This is the second mic here. This is where you can plug it on your laptop, I think so. I get to figure this out. So this one here. Okay. Okay, this is the cord. Yeah. So when I use this microphone, it is working perfectly. Although the sound is not all that quality, but okay, the thing is working perfectly. So apart from this mic, let's see what next in my package. Okay, this is a Rubik cube. Yes, a Rubik cube, 3x3 Rubik cube. Okay, let's open this Rubik cube. So the reason why I bought this one is that whenever I'm bored, I have to solve puzzle outside. So I decided to buy this Rubik cube. It's 3x3 Rubik cube, and I so much love it. Let me see if I can solve the puzzle there. Okay, you can see it. It makes sense. So the next on my package here is this USB port. And so I see this USB port Temu app. So how much did I buy this thing? It's like in my currency is 5,164 naira. Converting it to naira and to dollar is approximately $3.5. So let me open it. I don't know, you can't be used to do these things, so funny. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see it here? Can you see it? So that I can have all of my appearances plugged to the laptop. So that is it for this external USB port. Okay, the next one is this eyeglass. Well, I'm not well pleased with this eyeglass because they say it is anti-Blu-ray eyeglass, but which is nice on my face. I don't see any difference when I'm breathing, because the reason why I bought this thing is they say it is anti-Blu-ray. Yeah, so and on this one I give it 6/10. The reason why it passed down, the reason why I give it 6 because it's fancy and it goes on my face. So that's it for this eyeglass. So the last on our package is this tripod. I bought it for vlogging. Okay, let me open it and pause it for you guys to see what is real inside it. Okay guys, let me open it. So this is what is inside this video making kit tripod. So here is this stand, and one thing you should know that you have to figure out how you can open this stand so that you will not force it, because if you force it, it might break. So what you do is that this stand, no need to open it like this. You just open it sideways. You start, you open this one and open this one. It is standing.
A few moments later,
and you connect this one at the back of this microphone. And you put this wire here inside your phone and place your phone here, and you can see that this thing is it can be adjusted. You put your phone here. Okay guys, with this video making kit, you can start your content creation at your own convenient time. Okay guys, and this is all the things that I bought. This is the video making kit. So this is the Cubic 3x3 Rubik cube. This is the microphone, and this is the external USB port. This is the eyeglass. This is total of $16.86. All these things on this table. So guys, this is all that I've bought from Temu and the review. One thing is that on this Temu is that the customer care units are so responsive. If I chatted them up about my package, their swift response is so good. They respond as quick as possible. And there was a time that I'm expecting to get call from speed up, because you know that Temu, for we in Nigeria, Temu sent their packages through speed up. So on the day I'm about to receive my product, speed up give my package to another third-party agent for them to deliver to me, and the guys requested that I should give them 3,000 Nigerian currency, which is approximately $2. $2, yes, but I refuse because my package is under the fall under free shipping. And so then the guy hung the call on me. So the next day, which is the last day, I'm expecting my package, because on them will give you a particular time that you will receive your package. If you didn't receive, they will compensate you. So the last day, another third-party agent this feeder give my package called me to say I should come at so place, a 10 minutes away from my home, but I should come there and collect my package. So I reached there. That's how I received my package from Speedaf. So, and when I reach home, all the items is where I'm accurate, and there is no missing items in the bag. So another thing is that the delivery guy didn't ask me my name. I just reached there and told him that I'm here to collect my package, and he just handled the package to me just like that. That's, for me, is not good. You're supposed to ask me my product number, and then I should provide, so that he will know that I'm the real person that's come to collect the package. You know that whenever someone approach you, see your friend can approach you and say you wanted to collect, you just give him the products just like that. And you should ask the person question: what's your name, what is the package number, so that you know what he's saying is tied to what you have. If that is there, you give it to the person. That's what other online stores are doing, like Jumia. They will ask you a series of questions so that they know what you are saying, tied with what they have, then they will release the package to you. Okay guys, if you are watching this video up to this moment, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Yes, subscribe, because this video is a great value to you and to me myself, and don't forget to share it to your friends. If you have any other question, leave it in my comment section. I will be there and answer all your questions. Until I see you next time, my name is KingSomy. Peace.